Hi there, passive income fam. I'm going to show you how I set up my trades. So the first thing I do is I go to cnbc.com. You can go here on your laptop or on your phone. Make sure you download the app, CNBC app. And I look at, usually it's pre-market when I'm looking at where the market is before the market opens. The market opens in Eastern Standard Time at 9:30 a.m. And so I look here before 9:30 to see how the market is moving, like if it's gone up since the close or if it's gone down. And, I just kind of use that to gauge things. And then once the market opens, so you see right here, I'm on pre-market right here. But once the market opens at 9:30 Eastern Standard Time, I go to US and then I can see exactly how it's moving. Now, I don't usually get in right away because, you kind of want to wait for a while and let the market settle. So I kind of, wait for a while and let it settle. And then I get in to see if it's even worth trading that day. Okay. Every day you won't be able to trade. Some people do, especially if you're trading options, but for stocks, there may not be a particular opportunity for the stocks that you follow that day. And that's okay. So just watch it on those days. All right. So then what I will do also is go to something called forexfactory.com. And I've already filtered this to just show the US events, and it's a calendar of events of things that are coming up. And the yellow folders, those are things that, the traders won't really affect the traders too much. Yellow and orange, you really need to watch out for. So watch those. And then I just look at the time. And if it's something red, I'm not trading during that time because you don't know how volatile the market can get during those times. So I usually like yellow folders because they're nice and safe for the most part. Yellow and red, I just wait and see, what happens. So you can look at this calendar on forexfactory.com. And then I'll go to tradingview.com. I've created an account. This is free. You can also pay for an account where you can do lots of other things, which is awesome. I have not paid for an account yet. I probably will one day, but it's really awesome to use this platform. And so what I've done is I've charted my levels of where I want to enter and where I want to exit. And it just depends on the market. Right now, be quiet, don't tell anybody, but EMPH, that's my trade bay. So that's the one I've made a lot of money from. But since earnings, it had its earnings a few weeks ago, and it just has been moving weird since earnings for me. It has been moving kind of upward, but it's just been different. It's just been different for me. So this one I watch every single day, and I've charted my levels. It's at 164.05. That's where it ended at the close of the day. And then after market hours, it went down to 163.95. So you just don't know. You don't know where it's going to go. You could set a bracket order to get you in at a certain level when the market opens in the morning. I don't do that because you just don't know. So I like to wait and let the market settle and then get in. All right, so this is where I would get in. I found an advanced buy zone here in this area, and then also a sell zone up here in this area. So just kind of have to wait tomorrow and see where it's going to move and just try to get in on the action then. All right. So let me let you know, if you want to learn the strategies I learned to be able to trade the market as it goes up and as it goes down to make income, click on the link in the description of this video. And also let me know if there are any other questions you have or any things you want to see. All right. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.